Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we are going to be taking a look at my penny shopping haul. So I cannot wait to share everything that I found with you all. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just in case you haven't heard, this week at Dollar General is a huge week for clearance and penny shopping. We have hundreds and hundreds of items to be on the lookout for. So I have put together a total of 3 visual videos plus a general overview video of the full clearance markdown and penny list. Plus we also have surprise pennies that you all want to be on the lookout for. So if you have missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out, because you are not going to want to miss out on any of these awesome deals. So all those videos will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so I am back home from penny shopping. We are kind of hanging out in the back of my son's blazer, so pardon the mess. But I just wanted to throw this video together for you all really quickly, kind of show you all what I found and tell you where I found them and a couple of other little tips. So hopefully you guys are out there penny shopping as well, and hopefully y'all are having some good luck out there. But let me know about it down in the comment section below. So as y'all can see, I did pretty good this morning. I'm pretty excited about it. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. We're gonna start off with the hardware items. Of course, found a ton of these windshield scrapers. All of the hardware items I found in and around the regular hardware aisle. So on end caps, check the top shelves, all of those things. All right. I found the little cord safe keeper. I did find the 9-foot floor taper indoor extension cord. I found 3 of those in the original box. So these were normally $7 each. 2 of the indoor mechanical timers. I also found the outdoor timers. Those were normally at $12 each. Found 2 of those. I found 3 of the Frost King vinyl foam weather seal strips. So that's awesome. Also in the original box. So that's it for the hardware items. The rest, oh wait, one more. Also found the cable ties. So that is what the cable ties look like. 100 count Pro Essentials. Now I want you guys to stick around because I'm going to be putting together some YouTube short videos that I think you guys are going to enjoy, and just kind of take you guys along with me on our penny shopping journey. So y'all stick around for that. I think it's going to be fun. I think it's going to be fun. So, all right, now we're going to get into our school supplies, back to school items, blue dot, all of that. So first up, I did find one of the letter sticky notes, so Craz-E, so that works out perfectly. These do have a red dot on them, but they are following back to school. So we also have the dual tip highlighter. Both of those were in my visual video, so hopefully you guys watched that. We also have the Dixon pencils. Now there are 2 different packages that you guys need to be on the lookout for. Same UPC, both have pennied out, 2 different packages, alright? Now I found these in my clearance section, so y'all make sure that you check out your clearance sections. Alright, next up we have these little list pads, also included in the visual video. Now I found these with this little journal right here. I don't know if you guys have them at your stores yet, but at my store they recently put in a section of notebooks and journals and pens. It's usually right around where the card section is. So I dug around through there for a little bit. I found this blue dot journal. So there's the UPC on. So there's the UPC on that. I found that there. It's just a little kid's journal. And I also found these list pads. So these are included in the back to school. Alright, also I found a ton of calendars today. I only grabbed 3. I left the rest for somebody else. These are good until 2024, so I can definitely use those for the rest of this year and next year. Also found the locker mirrors. So these are just like little plastic mirrors, and there's 4 different designs. I think I've got them all. So be on the lookout for this sticker right here that I told you guys about in yesterday's videos. Also found the locker mirrors. There are pink, green, and purple. And again, be on the lookout for that Key Road sticker. Alright, next up I found several of the larger dry erase boards. These are double-sided. And again, be on the lookout for that Key Road sticker. Also found the Papermate pins. I was really excited about that. I actually found this on the top shelf in a box. So I had to do some top shelf digging there. Also found, I think, 45 rulers. So here are all the colors of the rulers. That's what the back looks like. And here are here's what the boxes look like. So hopefully that'll help you guys find these a little bit easier. But I found 2 boxes of those just sitting right there in the regular stationery aisle. Alright, now next up I finally found the Papermate Sharpie Elmer's back to school kit. I have been looking for those forever, and I finally spotted one on the top shelf in a box. So again, had to do a little shelf climbing, but it was worth it. Now also we need to talk about these backpacks right here. There are some out there with a different tag. They look exactly the same, and my guess is that Dollar General sent some of these backpacks back. They re-tagged them and then sent them back out to the stores. So what you want to be on the lookout for are the tags like this right here, the big black tags. All right, there's the UPC. Here's the other side of the tag. The ones that are ringing up full price have these small tags like this one right here with the blue dot on them. Okay, and I think they are ringing up $5 as well. So this is the one you want. This is not the one. Not the one. Still regular full price. Alright guys, so here's a look at my final haul. I found a total of 107 items and only paid $1.07 out of pocket. So how awesome is that? I am so excited about this haul, especially because I picked up some items that we are actually going to be able to use and donate to our local schools. So you guys, let me know how y'all are doing out there today. Have you already been out penny shopping? What have you found? Do you plan on going later after work? What is the deal? Let me know down in the comment section below. And of course, before you go, y'all know the drill. If you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It was right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, good luck everybody. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.